The success of Taiwan's machinery industry did not happen overnight. It is a continuous accumulation of hard work and commitment over many decades.
I think we started in 1949, and this year it will be the 70 years of our anniversary. So in the past 70 years, we've been seeing a lot of transition in the industry, and now today we are into the smart automation industry. So for the past 10 years, we've been focusing on developing our smart wheel automation. Before, machine is just a machine, but now we want to make the machine be more human-like, so have a feeling and understanding what's going on.
Architects is a company from Taiwan, and we are a professional variety and manufacturing company. This time we demo the new technology we call final core remove function. And this function can help the customer to have on-10 operation. We use a new generation of the nozzle to remove the core and move to the box. And the benefit of this function can save a lot of cost in operation and increase the cutting efficiency.
Chevrolet is the machine leader, manufacturing leader in the market today. And in the EMO show today, you can see we put the FMG-B1224, which means this is Chevrolet new products. And we are going to tell the people we do have IMCS communication system to meet today's the people the company needed.
I think having the global leading manufacturer for both screw linear guideway and the motion component, and as well as the robot. So in this show, you can see the Star Wars showing the synchronization of our 6S robot, and in the background, we can see our Scala robot and the wafer robot. So we produce the full range of robot in the world.
SYC is accessory tool maker. If customer they want to do different way to cutting, they must buy 5S machine, high price, and maybe the engineer need a different. So we manufacture, we offer this angle header to help a customer. Their machine is popular, but can do the same thing. So that's our new product in EMO.
FAVG is the worldwide ranking #3 machine tools group, which this time we provide our smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 solutions to all of our customers. You will find from the machine tools, smart production line, smart factory, and the management. And then we try to using the data technology to do the digital twins with data services.
Taiwan's machine tool manufacturers have a unique advantage in being able to quickly provide clients with new and smart solutions that dramatically improve efficiency.